How to fix chat is restricted in your region in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check for Roblox regional restrictions as some chat features are unavailable in certain countries due to local laws or Roblox policies. So if this restriction applies in your region, you will not be able to enable chat until Roblox changes its availability. Next, open Roblox and then tap on the More option on the bottom right and then tap on the Settings option you see there. Here, tap on Account Info and make sure that your date of birth in here is correct, and if not, then change your date of birth as some chat features are only available to users who meet Roblox age requirement. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to Settings and then tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here, tap on the Communication option you see there, and here, if available, go ahead and allow chat with appropriate audience depending on your preferences and account eligibility. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Roblox and make sure that the Roblox application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the Roblox app. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then open Roblox again and tap on the More option on the bottom right. Further, tap on Log Out and log yourself out and then log back in, as doing this might help you in fixing your issue. See if that helps, and if not, then open Settings again and then tap on General. Further, in General, tap on the iPhone storage option and scroll down and navigate to Roblox and tap on it. Further, tap on the Offload App option and offload the Roblox app and reinstall it again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then it simply could be the server status of Roblox, as if Roblox is experiencing server issues, chat features may not work correctly until the service is restored. Also, if you are connected to any kind of VPN services, then simply disable the VPN, as it can sometimes trigger region-related issues or interfere with Roblox services. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix chat is restricted in your region in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.